How to install a winch correctly? Spring mechanism. Spring mechanism is used to press against the separator. Springy when pressed. It must be loosened before installation. Tighten the winch with the tension knot. Ensure that there is a normal gap between the roller and the housing. At this time, align the fixing screws of the lower seat with the holes and tighten them. When the screw cannot be installed after tightening, remove the aluminum bars in front and behind the winch. The bolts of the lower fixed seat and the side bolts are fixed to the car body. After fixing it, loosen the tightening belt and remove it. Finally, compress the spring mechanism and tighten the catheter. Complete the installation. Once installed, the separator gear can be fully engaged.